I'm gonna start with the apron. You guys got to pay. They know this already. This wig cap is not that dark. I might apply foundation afterwards, but it's not. Is that to cover the hair? Yes, so we're gonna spray because we're gonna cut this off. Sorry, is it cold? It's cold. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna blow dry. A tiny one that I got from eBay. I'm gonna cut the excess. Pretty wig. Ooh, very nice. Yeah. The good thing about this wig, it came pre-plucked. Look at that. Pre-plucked.
Oh wow.
Really nice. Everything is beautiful, the texture. And it's called full shine hair.
Full shine hair.
Yeah, but the thing is this, it's full shine and it's actually shining. Like really nice. I know. Very nice. Yeah, so guys, the black one, I just use that here. Looking nice. Fake scalp, here she comes. So now I'm gonna apply foundation. First, okay, about the other side because I'm not gonna pat it the other way. Now she's bald. On again to see how it's. Guys, you have to be patient with frontal. It's not easy.
Oh god, that's the reason why I haven't got one yet.
It's not easy to get it right. So see, you have to try it again. Yeah, I think it looks better now. Yeah, I think I like it now. I clip it on. See the place I clip it in there? So that's the place I'll be cutting away. Hurry. It's easier to know what you're doing. See, girl, hey. See? Beautiful. Look at that pattern. Hey. If you're like me and you love blonde hair, get full shine hair. It's full shine. It's actually full shine. Just like the name says. Full shine. Like, look at that. I love it. Wow. B. Okay. Got the excess lace off. Look at that. I'm just going over with the foundation. Some people use lace tint and all of that. I don't have lace tint. So this is what I'm going to be using. And I'm going to blow dry it.
It's so much
work, isn't it?
So much work, yeah.
This is the black one that I'm using. Got to be the black one. So, going as slots for the edges. So we're gonna tie it like so. Link to Full Shine Hair is in description box. Look at that hair. You know you want it. Like, life is not perfect, but your brows can be.
Wow.
Yeah. Brows got to be popping. So now I'm gonna use a razor to clean the brows. I'm using Tiger razor blade because people always ask me what blade I'm using. It's called Tiger. This Tiger is very sharp. I'm using this. It's called MAC Prep and Prime. It's called Moisture Infusion. The serum, okay, all over the face. Moisturizes the face. You know I love my MAC all day, every day. So I'm using MAC NW45. Look at that. I think I'm going to use the Almighty Fenty Beauty. Yeah. Fenty Beauty. This one is 330 Fenty Beauty Concealer. Nuts, if nuts.
My first time getting Fenty Beauty.
Is it?
Yeah. I'm meaning to get foundation though, like the new one.
Yeah, so I blend, and I blend, and I blend, and I blend. Look at that.
So nice.
Perfect. Using the foundation that I used before, I'm going to use that to contour. No snatched. I'm going to set Ben 9 banana powder. Like to do on like a cheek, like so. Look at that cheekbone, guys. I'll sell this one in the market. So I usually go over the brows as well with whatever is left on the wedge. I use two brow pencil, Rimmel, dark brown, black brown. So start with the black brown. Then I'll do dark brown at the top. Like, my God. So, concealer. I'm gonna use that under the brows. Yeah, so I'm gonna use that. The lighter one here. Prolong Wear Waterproof Brow Set. I'm gonna use that on the brows to set the brows. Guys, I'm using this MAC palette, so Miss MAC eyeshadow palette. I don't know why the black one is broken. Cream shadow. It's called Rich Ground. I'm gonna apply that here. Nice, look at that. Hey. Oh wow, nice. Yeah, I'm gonna apply the lashes this down without closing, just like that. Yeah. That's it. So I'm doing some first. Yes, guys, this is Mineralized Skin Finish Medium Dark, the best powder to blend setting powder out because it doesn't give you that ashy look. Guys, the lipstick is MAC Cream the Nude D. Okay, Cream D Nude. And this is Chestnut Lip Liner from MAC. This is one of my favorite lip liner from MAC.
My sister's very into hair and makeup as well.
Okay, good.
I'm not the opposite.
Apply the mascara to blend the natural and the fake one together. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Is that you? Why are you looking like a bag of money?
Oh my god.
You're looking like a whole meal. Snack, breakfast, lunch.
Yes, sir.
Wow, look at that.
Like 10 minutes away from the station.
Seriously?
Walking.
Yeah, walking.
You should come to my church.
So beautiful, you guys.
Look. Hey. She's popping.
Hey.
Yeah. Yes.
Wow. Oh my god, I love it.
Yeah, this is. Yeah, that's it. Yes, girl, you copy.
Hi guys, just got my hair and makeup did by Beauticianchic. I'm popping, yay!